Let's go for the millennium.
Now the veteran has just chipped in one. The encounter is 1/1 onto this encounter. I take that one. That one I take him. The veteran has just chipped in 1 into this encounter now. This is the football encounter against the Cameroonian community in Denmark, trying to organize themselves against the National Day, which is coming tomorrow, 20th. But has been decided to celebrate that same National Day on the 19th because the 20th will be on Sunday and most of them will not have that chance. Here becomes the match between the veterans, Cameroonians in Denmark, and against the youth, Cameroonians in Denmark, preparing themselves to take steps once and for to make the National Day a big celebration day. 1-1 in Denmark. It was almost the same last year, and now this year we are doing the same celebration again. This is Mr. George. This is Mr. George. And ladies, you have to know the Cameroonians are old, ladies, boys and girls are putting on bright faces to watch and to ready this encounter that has to take place in a few hours. Then we are on our move and on a good foot to see how the fellow Cameroonians and visitors outside in Denmark, other parties, are also trying to participate in this great move. Players like Big Joe, Big Losel Jiku, and Alino all are putting themselves set for this great encounter. As you can see, most of them are there in their numbers. That is Senior Big Masango and Eric, all in their numbers, hoping that everything has to get in place. I welcome you all as you are ready to see how it's gonna move today. Wow, le grand le sel.
Oh, rich man.
Le grand le sel. Attends, y'a manana serve. Le grand le sel. What comes the outcomes of this encounter today? It's just to see how the Cameroonians are putting in place on a great name of ACAD, which is called the Association of Cameroonians in Denmark. As you can see now and organized, it's a well-organized day. We are led to celebrate the National Day of Cameroon in Denmark, which come rain, come sun, it has to be. Let me tell you and put it in place, my good friend. This is something, it's a great move and very wonderful. That's my friend. So just watch them. They are out there with their numbers, ready to put everything in place and in order. This is a very great move and very wonderful and interesting. That you can see somebody like Losel Diko, which is a big player right from Africa. Here, you can see him trying to play with Mr. Frederick, also who has been a one-time player in the Junior National Federation, Cameroon, is now rushing up into the move and this encounter. You can find him. You can have by the big-time goalkeeper who was one time a good goalkeeper in the Brotherly Court, and now he's becoming. So I don't know. It is very, very difficult to find this very crew long time again. That is that things are put in place in order. Things are put in place in order. As you can see, the youths are putting themselves in numbers just to prepare for this encounter. This is really a great move. Young boys and girls are all ready for this encounter. As you know, it is very, very rare and difficult to see Cameroonians in the society like this, who are all in place to see how things are supposed to go together. As I am telling you, you can count them in number. Things are very, very, very interesting. As you can see, they are all out in their numbers. Let's to make a big day and see how everything has to be done and make it be organized. As you can see, the veterans of Cameroonians in Denmark are putting themselves really, really in order to challenge the youths of Cameroonians in Denmark, which you know is something that is really, really, really difficult, and it's a long time that it's ever happened. Now you can see them in their numbers, putting themselves in order to take the challenge against the youths of Denmark. One put in place in numbers and in action. As you see them, big of them are always put in place. This is one time Mr. Malange, who is very welcome into the encounter. And they are the organizing committee to put everything put in place now, which is being seen together. Cameroonians are in their numbers, putting in place everything. So I am telling you, it is really, really long time we have. This is coming summer, and this one marks the opening ceremony of the Cameroonian Summer Games, who always take place every summer, which we know and will be. As you can see, I am moving very, very close to a one-time big challenge player, which is known and well known around the public, around the country, like Mr. Faye Michael, who has been an international goalkeeper for a very long time. He took Victoria United right to the scene, took Elespo of Limbe right to the scene, and then retired. Now he is saying, I know you can always meet them in their faces. And this is an honorable veteran divine, as you know, who had been captain for the Mobehams crew, as we all know, for the past 5 years. Now has decided to become a veteran and trying to put the veteran teams in place and in their numbers. You can see they mark themselves black and red and yellow, pink, and they put it on the national flag, as you know, which is called the green, red, yellow of the Cameroon flag, which represents the Cameroonians, and is of course getting closer to mark the celebration of the 20th May, which is come tomorrow in the Cameroon city. And as of now, we are barely celebrating it on the 19th in Denmark, since most of them will be working tomorrow. As you can see them, they are all there. This is Young, Cherry Young, Mr. Ivo, Mr. Hurry, and you can see Mr. Oliver in place. A lot of them in their names, Frederick and whatever. I will call them in consequence program. Let me stand before the match put in place in action. Thank you.
Winning number video. Photo. Bring on front. Voilà, just tourner so happy. So press and towards your chest. Like this one, so press and towards your chest. Okay. Take the next, take left. Yeah. Okay.
Allez-y, allez-y, donne-you.
Ok. Ça va, descends. Non, pas genre. Voilà. Ça va, on va. Je te dis qu'il faut battre. Il faut bend down au front. Ça,
Take put me up on it.
Yeah. Then put through.
Put it to full side.
that side. These are the veterans putting in place in order to mark the full day. As you can see, they are there in their numbers. You can count them. This is Veteran Ekane, Veteran George, Veteran Ivo, Veteran Oliver, Veteran Harry, Veteran Shay, Tata, Veteran Harry, and whatsoever. As you can see them all, they are there, marking themselves and putting everything in order and in place. That is really, really a great day, just for you to see how the Cameroonian community are arranging and putting things in order. As you can see, a big move. Okay, now I have to move over to see how the youths are also putting themselves to order to mark this day fully and in press. Terry, you don't take me some good photo. You don't take me good photo. How many now? You will take me more. Huh? That is Veteran Divine. He has been captain for Moby Hampton for the last 5 years. Now he says he's going on retirement. So he is taking the captain. He is taking the captain lead over the whole veteran team. As you can see, this is another image taking over. This is also the veteran putting in place in order and seeing how things has to go. It's nice to have such a good move. Wait. I want to record that picking and do what they own. I want to record that picking and do what they own.
I want no, do one of my own.
Ah, okay. Ah. The referees and the linesman are struggling. As you can see, Mr. Isaac, who has been a veteran referee in PWD of Kumbo, is taking the lead to handle this encounter today. As you can see, you can see for yourself. He has been a veteran referee in Kumbo. Oh, honestly, this is really a great move. Visitors from outside, all around Sweden, Norway, Finland are also doing the same on this same day as we are also marking it together. So let's see. As you can see, I am moving closely to the youth area. When you find the coaches of the youths are trying to put in place what has to take over as a football encounter match, the youths are also there working hard to beat up the veteran teams of Denmark. As you know, Then a one-time old goalkeeper who was coming from the school of Brother Izu Cameroon, who is now based in Denmark, says he wants to make his back home into the encounter. As you can see, the young boys are really putting their things in place and in order.
Yes, except for the 5 goalkeepers,
Judges.
And I get Jesse. Jesse, I'll be fast.
The veterans are already in the pitch, ready for the youth to come up. You know, in every society, the youths always dominate. So the youths are already trying to put their place so that they cannot make mistakes over the veteran, as you can see like that. So it's like that.
The young shall grow.
That is opening encounter. You can find how the opening encounter move is going to take in place right now. When we want kick again. Okay. That was the kick out encounter. As you can see, the youth they have put on their jerseys now in their number. So match really is about to take place and it's about to start when it has to be put in place, as you can see. That is Mayor Salas, the Grand Mayor of Limbe and his family. You see, the youths have to grow to take off the kickoff. Babila.
DJ Malange.
Yeah,
How far?
Where this beginning no, this divine he picking this one, I don't know. Stop on lepa.
You don't assemble things, you don't confuse.
Take a can by surprise.
No, it's plenty. The necessity. But I don't try to do business. I don't know which is the worry Hamburg this trip. There's a man go find out where we all think we're going to Belgium.
Johnny.
No, I don't try to call the Johnny. Because I only move that way. I only move that way. Do not know.
Hamburg.
Yes. It's a
no one I don't think I will see not get why
yeah, because motor be plenty. But my own be plenty. I'll get 4. You get how many? Now motor 8 motor better. I prefer me go for Belgium. If I don't reach me Cameroon, Belgium. If I don't reach me Cameroon, quiet. And I just like that. It's a bill of landing go review. That's Terrion. Leave Nyanga play Terry. People don't worry you here now. Forget about them. Concentrate for inside. No man, no be run.
Next year you're playing a veteran.
Would see?
You do you make the same strategy, let me. You make the same strategy, let me. When I enter now, how you do your strategy? Hey! I think I'm sponsor them. We go ball. And I'm getting much of me back. Yeah, okay, so I don't know. Why? Who take locals? Now I was more picking them. It's more time I do now. Only people their own.
Open the reaction.
No, outside. Libo amateur veteran.
Why?
You see ball control. You look who they get ball control. Who's that ball control?
Ball possession now. Ball possession 25-25.
Master, they get you put the veteran in defense and lean. You don't get to the overpass.
No, not defense and lean because they body don't get energy.
You don't get energy.
The first 20 minutes I'm finished.
Question, let us guide them. Thank you.
When I begin delay, we will enter.
I say. No.
Come on, take.
You can't beat a plane, you know, blow. You can't beat a plane, you know, blow. If you can't beat a plane, you know, blow. No, and the calculation I didn't know. I didn't don't stop. My business don't stop. I go buy some of this my skin. My skin just weak again. I call you so I just replace it. Just weak me again. I just can't. I just live on my face. I say now, can we go buy from machine and do from machine and go buy and put it inside. Yeah. Carry at one time. I just come back anyhow.
Hey, Mister, you're missing man.
I know.
Are you still here?
I'm here. I am. Just that maybe I don't make my work amazing, but I'm sorry. But I haven't been.
Cool, man.
You know, I keep promising I'll pay a visit and then I'm bad. I need to.
How about this?
Congratulations. I fit. You know what? No, of course, I cannot surprise you. I wanted to okay. Surprise me.
Yeah.
Boy, girl, boys. Alright.
That is Masango. Put the ball, put one.
Thank you, Milan. What's in the video, Milan?
Oh, no. Platform, eh?
Platform. You need to smoke.
Sokolo FC. Sokolo FC. Will be one of the strongest players for you.
You need to gym.
I'm beginning now. I'm beginning. Put the money in play. You know, I see the ball.
Record. See, record.
Hey, man, who wants to send that ball directly, eh? Straight for four, that's all. He enter, no, he enter. He don't. He fall 2 times because he wear and he wear.
Only 2 times, man. 4.
He wear and they know. We wear and they know fine. Aratimeka.
Thank you.
Aratimeka. I go take my boot. Only play the boot and if you take her.
Okay.
They don't pack in the city. Go pass. I don't decide. I know we can play tennis.
Yeah.
Then I want to go. I go 4-2-4 here. Then I don't die. Then the waist for the hot go just. The waist for the job hot now go finish broke finish. The waist for the fair hot go just finish broke finish. Hey, hey. So. So. Ay. Kisana, would I move one place so no? If you wear a boot, you go stand for ground. But you wear a tennis, at the touch you any small, you go with them.
Yeah.
Hey.
Run the other hell of you.
Man.
Where's
Yeah.
Mr. Shea is out of pitch.
I give that few minutes of grace, then come back, warm the ball, and then do the 2 goals.
That is very good. That you can hear that's the veteran.
Yeah.
The veteran coach at the same time is a player.
Thank you.
Who is doing that activity. He has been playing for almost 20 minutes of this encounter. Now he is taking his break.
You say 20? I thought it was 35.
35 minutes of this encounter?
Yeah.
Thank you. It means by my watch.
Yeah.
The youths are leading the veteran by 1-0, and this encounter is going to almost get in half of this encounter. As you can see, the veterans are not really happy outside, but the youths are all happy because they can see they have their own victory and whatsoever put in place. But as so far so good, this match has been playing for the close to 40 minutes gone, which means the veterans are still hoping to put something in place, but the youths are still mounting pressure over this encounter. As you can see, it has just been a throw out. Throw in into the veteran squad.
Even a French talk, if I don't talk 5 words for you. Harry don't die. They want to kill me, Harry. When that boy get the goal to kick me, there's no fight.
Let's go for the millennium.
Now the veteran has just chipped in one. The encounter is 1-1 onto this encounter. I take that one. That one, I take him. The veteran has just chipped in 1 into this encounter now. The youth is 1 and the veteran are 1. This is a great encounter going to is in place. So na whisker shake it when I want my baby oh yeah baby oh yeah baby someone less
you better cut down
someone
every day
I no go. I the number no play to. I get back 8. But I go reduce. No worry.
Referee.
No, that's not dress for myself.
The match, the youth have just chipped in another 1 goal into this encounter, which is against 1. The supporters of the Cameroon standing out here in their numbers, watching how the fellow brothers and sisters also playing their football games. So notwithstanding, things are all put in place. The veterans are still on the move, struggling to put chip in some more goals, while the youths are also struggling to put things in place and maintain their position as the youths which have to grow. With that notwithstanding, things are all put in place for mark this day. After this, a big feast at a big festival will be held in Fredriksson Vej number 115, Copenhagen, to mark this day. And everybody is quite invited and they have to be all together. As we say, things is all put in place and it's all running well. Welcome. Thank you.
Wasting time for loss. Wasting time for love.
Wow, I learned that too. I learned the new way.
Dégage, toi. Ça c'est qui même? Good boy. Come on, let's play. Good boy. You know bad, cover, you know bad. You know blood, they will call and Kandem Jam Moscow. You know blood, they will call and Kandem Jam Moscow. Kandem Jam Moscow, let's go. You don't play well, let's call him.
Kandem say mop for Kandem. Now your brother. Kandem your brother, or you play like he. Kandem your brother, or you play like he.
Thank you, Referee.
Prenez. Comme le grand frère.
Allez, Mexique. Ok, qui m'a tué?
Go.
Olha, por que ver assim,
Just keep on. Thank you, Romeo. Thank you, Romeo.
ele try right with foot eh.
Come on, yes.
Oh, no.
Dad, thank you, Romeo.
Are you ready? I'm the coach here.
Ekota one play now. Put Ekota may play.
Sure, we need that.
Fine. He didn't finish the ball.
You go finish here. You know if you go finish her.
Ça, j'ai écrit you. Ça, j'ai écrit you. Ça, j'ai écrit you. Il y a un mouvement.
Fine company. Thank you.
Oh, back.
Referee.
I mean, you will disturb me here now. You will disturb me here now. I'm the coach here. Run, walk. Say go rest.
Where don't walk with you? Where walk with you? Idiot.
I want to defend and not attacker. Pourquoi j'ai envie de casser au score?
No one is jump No one is jump.
But you don't need jump. But you didn't take Champions League match. I mean, I've taken a million that grand from not say one day again we do, and now I just need the final. Best coach all the time. Need power legs in the good time and win 1 year. So today the last you play for 6 for now. Don't see half of it. Apologize. Don't play. No fit apologize.
Romeo, come here.
Say part of our caution.
Stop it.
He pushed away on me, seriously.
If you give me my hair, I'll not play with you.
You know, this is my first day that you want
Meanwhile, I don't beg you, Eugene. You go turn for Rene now. I beg you, Eugene, you go turn for Rene. Rene tells you one time. The two talk for you. Rene don't tell you one time. Me, I never beg you. I don't tell you, give you all the number. Go pay. I carry all. They go give free. You don't agree. He tell I'll go get no go to the rich say watch out.
They give police who are come you find the
He gave me a course of I only talk I don't call names. Comment Fino can find a Fasiga? No penalty again. No, a 2-2.
Now they be the first.
Now you them key win. But now they collide that face when they score a penalty.
That's ça, Gadiel.
I already played now. Thank you, Romeo. Thank you. You better pass your ball! Go! Thank you! Change that ball! Change that ball! Thank you!
They go down the change ball. Give me that one, take you one. Change ball. I don't do well.
So make you know what you want.
Coach, I'm going to play coach. You must obey coach.
I give an interview. So that when they edit them, again for kind of edit them. The batting get problem. I want to take half. Okay, right now we're standing in front of me is the social coordinator of ACAT, which is part of the organizer of this marking of this 20th May edition, which is the edition which has to be marked tomorrow. I will just have to give him some few interviews to tell us how what he has put in place to run over this day of today. Over to you, Mr.
Thank you, sir. In fact, thanks for this opportunity. It has not been quite easy for us to bring this special day to a great day. A lot of things have been put already in place. We started with, as you can see, we started with a football match and the lawn tennis. And in the evening, we have a gala night that will mark the end of our activity tonight. Everything is being put in place, and we are hoping that all the Cameroonians will respect the rendezvous, as all of them, they know that the 20th May is not only for ACAT alone, but for all the Cameroonians. here.
That's it.
Thank you very much for this special.
Thank you, Mr. Social Coordinator.
Silvanus.
Thank you, Mr. Silvanus, for this good speech that you're making. Now, standing beside me is one of the youth players who is also the sporting coordinator of this.
I'm still playing.
He says he's still in the game of field.
Yeah.
I will have to take another interview. And one thing, Mr. Knows, that I would like to ask you.
Yeah.
As you see, I am trying to get some, Romos always speak for something.
Yeah.
That is like, there is another Cameroonian association.
Yes.
Which it says is coming up, like what are they say, what are DPP or DC, what? I don't know, I've never heard about one in the diaspora.
Yeah.
I heard something of that sort yesterday.
Yes.
So it baffles me, and I was just like saying, maybe I have to meet the president that I know is the president of the Cameroonians in Denmark to get some feel. How have you heard something of that sort, or you know anything about it?
Yeah, really, I haven't heard anything of such a thing. And if there is something coming up, then I will also try to carry an investigation to see if there is something like that. For me, I don't have an idea.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Anyway, we don't have much to say. Maybe we'll meet in the evening on the gala position, and then we have some good time. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Have a nice day too.
You're welcome. Now I ride on to the back into this encounter. I've just finished talking with Mr. Savani, which is the social coordinator, and which things has been put in place. Now the game over, the game is still running and being two on both sides. The veterans team and the youth of Cameroonians putting themselves together to mark the National Day, which is of flash to be on. Now we are on the move with the coach of the veterans trying to put some things in order. I don't know. With the hope we see how the veterans can do more better. We hope. Catch you. I'll stay with you put in back in the few minutes.
Leave
that to their team. This is honorable. On the contrary, Mr. Ikane, on your out view, what have you put in place to mark this day of today?
Goal. Look that goal.
When you go each time I don't answer. I say, look that goal. I say, look that game.
I said goal. Hey, penalty.
What's it for?
Penalty. Who's penalty? Penalty. Fine.
You want to give the match?
I want to make changes.
They call it a bit. If you be corrupt.
Put your hand down.
Now, some man, all of be corrupt. Then outside, come on, outside. No, you're not doing it. You're not doing it. There you want, big man. That's it. Very home, Anton.